Rolling here, Dave All YouTube fans. Here we are at 600 Lane for a Thanksgiving update, and I'm panning, looking over to Apo 13T and see how cool it is and the view through. Moving along to the pond. The deck is in, and this is the deck now. And then looking through to the stairs, heading, which is the coolest feature of the whole house, one person's opinion. Stormy's hanging out on the deck, walking back around. That now that the stairs or the temporary stairs are out, it looks a lot better. Sod is in, a lot of the landscaping is in, and it's a beautiful Thanksgiving. The pool, obviously not full, but everything about this place will be spectacular. But here is the important working spaces that I'm interested in, because we had a power failure last night. So I got to see how big their Generac is, which is 24 kW, which is 4 more than mine, and lots of stuff. But the HVAC is top of the line all the way around, and there it is, and it's really coming together.